Hi, I am here with Representative Ken Ivory, and we are talking about his bill, HB209, the Federalism Amendments. Can you explain to us a little bit more about what this bill would accomplish?
Yeah, Emily, we've seen a lot over the last year where the federal government is running roughshod over parents and over the states. And so what federalism is about is the states are supposed to stand between individuals and businesses and the federal government. And it's that balance, that governing balance that is called federalism. And so HB 209 provides a systematic way of looking at all the actions of the federal government, whether they're intruding on education or business or other things, and gets the state to examine all of our powers to stand between an individual and a business and a federal government that's stepping over the powers that were delegated to it.
Wonderful. So, as I'm understanding it, it's a third-party entity that will review all of the federal monies that we're taking in to make sure that they are in compliance and not superseding state law.
Yeah, that's another aspect, is a federal fund rainy day fund, so that we begin building a fund so if federal funds go away, we're ready. Or if there are federal grants and requirements that have too many restrictions and strings, we can opt out of that because we have a fund set up. But like you said, we'll have an independent third party, apolitical, that looks at all federal actions that have implications for our jurisdiction, and then we drill down on those and say which one of these really violate the rights of the state, the powers of the states, and then we choose the actions that we'll take specifically to do that. So we're not just waiting for headlines to act and protect our businesses and people. We're looking at everything the federal government does all the time, monitoring it all the time to protect the people and the businesses. It was that balance and that limit of government that was intended to protect our rights, and if the state's not vigilantly, systematically doing that, we see all sorts of federal things that cross over the wall and intrude on people's rights, and so that's the idea.
Thank you very much. We will continue to break this down, so go check us out on UtahParentsUnited.org or follow us on Instagram or Facebook.